Since the reform and opening up, construction industry grows fast. However, leaks have become a global issue in construction, persistently troubling the entire industry. Seepage corrodes the steel bars inside concrete, greatly compromises structural integrity and safety, causes significant yearly economic losses. Conventional waterproofing solutions are temporary fixes. Limited superficial waterproofing, short-lived and complex will fall. To tackle this global issue, Ouminglang assembled a research team. Developed Ouminglang's inorganic water-based crystalline material. Ouminglang's groundbreaking and transformative new waterproof material, a revolutionary water-to-water concept, the sole domestic fully penetrating crystalline waterproof material. Penetrates deeply into concrete, mortar, and calcium ion cement. Forms flexible crystalline structures via chemical reaction. Effectively seals and repairs internal capillaries and cracks. Enhances overall density, strength and hardness, solving cracking and waterproofing. Resists moisture, corrosion, mold, acids, and bases. Endures extreme temperatures and other global challenges. Revolutionizes traditional surface-only application methods. Outperforms all surface coating materials in both effectiveness and lifespan. Ouminglang's new material revolutionizes the construction industry, solves multiple challenges, easy spray application, stable functionality, eco-friendly, energy-efficient, and replaces traditional materials. Fills a critical gap in the domestic waterproofing market. Will undeniably spark a sweeping industry revolution. Ouminglang was featured in a special report by the Science Approaching program on CCTV. Ouminglang was interviewed exclusively by China Economic News Broadcast and CCTV International, covered by Guangdong and Southern Satellite Television. In 2016, the Yichuan section of Beijing Subway Line 13, after 3 years, a core extraction test showed that the 86 cm concrete achieved glass-like stone-like hardness, fully waterproof and moisture-proof, completely prevents water seepage, meeting Ouminglang's design standards. Drones focus from T Ministries, the Construction Research Academy, and Standardization Institute rigorously tested and applied Ouminglang. National standards set for Ouminglang, nationwide use recommended. Used in Shenzhen Metro Lines 10 and 16, Dayi high-speed railway station, and Wenling Tunnel. Used by major construction groups like CSCE and Poly Group. Solved waterproofing issues for bridges and tunnels. Met waterproofing and reinforcement needs for military bases. Offers waterproof and corrosion solutions to chemical groups. Handled nuclear wastewater and waste treatment for nuclear power groups. Entirely transformed experts' perceptions and earned widespread acclaim from construction teams. Also passed the National Material Testing Center's inspections. All metrics exceed national and international benchmarks. Secured ISO 9001 quality and ISO 14001 environmental certifications. Claimed the National Innovation Competition's Originality Award in its sector. Certified as an excellent real estate supplier and top-tier central enterprise supplier. Ouminglang joined procurement systems of SOEs like Poly and China overseas. Groups like CRG, CSCEC, CTN, and CCC. Supplies new materials to military procurement databases. Here, Ouminglang surpasses any waterproof material in the world. It completely transforms the concept of surface-only waterproofing. It definitively solves a long-standing global challenge in construction. Ouminglang aims to make its waterproof materials available for all buildings, making our buildings greener and enhancing our living spaces. Join us for the good of all.